be showing you how to crochet a bare-face applique. To start, make a magic ring using brown yarn, chain 2 and double crochet 12 into the magic ring. You can also chain 3 if you tend to chain loosely. Slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 2. Double crochet 1 in the next 3 stitches, then do 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches, then double crochet 3 in the next 3 stitches. This makes an oval shape. Slip stitch into the first stitch. To make the ears, slip stitch in the next 4 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch, then do 2 treble crochets and a double crochet in the same stitch. Slip stitch in the next stitch. This makes an ear. Slip stitch in the next 15 stitches, making 16 slip stitches between the 2 ears. Repeat the double crochet, 2 treble crochet, double crochet pattern in the next stitch. Slip stitch 2. Fasten off and weave in the ends. To make the snout, use tan yarn to make a magic ring and chain 1. Single crochet 6 into the magic ring. I suggest using a stitch marker for this to keep track of where the first stitch of the row is. Single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the 6th stitch after, single crochet 2, 2 single crochets, single crochet. Fasten off and cut a long tail for sewing. Thread a yarn needle with dark brown yarn for the nose. Tie a knot at one end, insert the needle through the tan piece, and make a few stitches horizontally to make the nose. V-shape with the point at the center of the nose. Weave in any extra ends and cut them. Sew the snout to the face using a ladder stitch. Fasten off and cut the ends. Black yarn to make the eyes. You can also use dark brown for a softer look. Make French knots or make multiple small stitches as I'm doing here to create the eyes. After making the first one, insert your needle into the other side to make the other eye. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends.
I'm so handsome, aren't I? Yes, lucky me.